we're headed to the beautiful, albeit remote, East Park Reservoir, where we're gonna go enjoy ourselves some summer camping fun. I think this is just gonna be a short and sweet one, a highlight reel from Camp Tipsy. 3, 2, 1, let's jam. Hey guys, Shalaco here. Guess what? I'm on a motherfucking boat made out of junk. That's right, we're back at Camp Tipsy, the build your own boat out of junk party. Has it been a year already? Welcome to the next season. Hey Phoenix, you wanna get high with me? They have the world's tallest teeter-totter right there.
Oh my god, yeah, please, let's do it.
It legit holds the world record. What is this? Must be like the world's biggest teeter-totter.
It is the world's biggest teeter-totter.
Oh, there you go. Okay, this is actually legit kind of scary. Oh my god, that was crazy!
Like, seriously.
When you come to Camp Tipsy to build a boat, if you have brought nothing with you, there is an abundance of obtainium here waiting for you that is not only something that can be made into a boat, but it probably has already been made into a boat, maybe 3 or 4 times.
Oh hey guys, look, it's Laura. You remember her from the neon chandeliers in season 0.
I feel like it's important to do stuff at the last minute at Tipsy. I think doing stuff at the last minute, not having a tape measure, trying to use pieces as found and not cut them down, and like really the rejected junk, using it for the extra glamorous living. I feel like that's what I'm trying to explore with this. Cap 6.
What you guys got here?
Yeah. What do you think? Got a boat?
I don't know.
Looks like a pirate ship.
big old boat.
Kind of crashed though.
The snapper?
Maybe it's a pirate ship.
Will it float?
We'll have to wait and see.
We don't know yet.
We'll find out.
This is definitely.
Let me tell you about my boat.
Fuck symmetry. Earlier this morning, I was like, hey Steve, did you ever build anything asymmetrical? And he was like,
all the walls come down to make it more or less like a sail and provide shade as the sun moves overhead. This trunk has everything I need in it. It's got my kitchen, my inflatable bed. There's a picnic table that folds out of a briefcase. It's really all set up. Just need it to be calm enough to take it out on the water.
Come on, flag. Give me some flagging. about the most dangerous part of this is just climbing the slide to get on.
Yes.
All right, it seems like a terrible idea. Let's head out. That was awesome. Weekend at Tipsy. Hope you enjoyed this little adventure. If you did, maybe hit that like button. If you'd like to be notified about future videos, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell, and we will see you in the next one.